Hello and welcome to Watches with a Woman. My name's Sierra and I'm super excited to be with you here today with not one but two Bremont watches. Now Bremont, the brand, if you aren't familiar, is actually based in England and their watches are assembled there in Henley-on-Thames. And here we go with the first unboxing. So these are not my watches. My friends so lovingly reboxed these. And inside we have the brochure here of the watch. And then the bag. And inside, Bremont has really nice bags and accessories, so I definitely want you to see this, is a really pretty blue leather pouch with some snaps here. And I will get you some closer videos here as well, but I definitely love an unboxing because it's fun for me too. So now as we unsnap this, we have multiple pouches. So this pouch here is actually where the watch will be contained. So I'll open this, and then there are strap variants, potential strap variants, and places to put those. Inside we have the FedEx World Timer, the ALT1-WT. It's the FedEx edition. We also have here a bronze Bremont broadsword. What a tongue twister. So down goes the watch brochure. Inside, another bag, and in the bottom, the receipt with the little story of Bremont. It's co-founded by two brothers who are pilots themselves, and so they do a lot of special editions like the FedEx pilot watch that's only for people of a specific pilot job, like being a current or past FedEx pilot. So inside of the broadsword case, this other bag, but this time it is in a really pretty green canvas with leather details. So as we open again, we'll see the same sort of setup with the Bremont warranty card in here and multiple straps, and again the watch. Dun, 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 dun. And here we are. So now let's take a closer look at both of these watches. First, we have the FedEx ALT1-WT or World Timer. It has more obvious elements of FedEx, like FedEx and the World on Time actually written on the dial, along with the engraved globe. But a lot of these really beautiful, vivid colors on the dial are because of FedEx. The subdial for the seconds hand looks like an altimeter instrument. The purple of these cities around the dial are the FedEx Express hubs around the world. And if you look closely at the chronograph hand with the orange triangular tip, you will notice that there is also a purple counterbalance meant to represent the purple on the tails of the FedEx planes. Taking a look at the back, you'll notice that the rotor is reminiscent of a plane engine and indeed also says FedEx, lest you forget who you are a pilot for. Now it is nice because it really does feel like it would fit my 6-inch wrist. If the strap was worn in even more, I could get it tighter and it would hug even more closely. The case is 43 millimeters in diameter, 16 millimeters in thickness, 22 millimeters of lug width if you're looking to change the straps. So all that said, it's actually pretty surprising to me just how well it works. And I am used to wearing larger watches, but this is one that I would actually wear on a more regular basis. Let's take a look at what a couple of different straps would do to the feel of the watch. Here we have a brown strap with a sort of white tan stitching, as well as a black variant with white stitching rather than the orange that is currently on it. Now these would give it perhaps a slightly more subtle look. If you're looking to dress it up more, the brown with the white stitching is quite a classic pilot look, whereas this other variant with the white stitching on black is a little bit more modern classy, but the orange is still my favorite. Let's take a closer look at the bronze broadsword. We can start here looking at the straps since we're thinking about accessorizing and see how this colored brown taupey dial rather warms or changes slightly with these strap colors, looking more adventurous with the tans, for example, versus this strap looking more a little bit like a traditional pilot's watch. The back is neat in that it says that it is approved by Her Majesty's Armed Forces. And Queen Elizabeth II is the longest reigning female monarch and the second longest reigning monarch of all time behind a French king. Because of an official partnership with the Ministry of Defense in 2019, Bremont is the only luxury watch provider that's allowed to use the symbols of all three branches of the Royal Military, the Royal Navy, Army, and Air Force. The bronze of the case actually gives this field watch a more interesting look. Something that is actually quite simple as time and date can look more intensive. There's actually 8% tin in the bronze alloy to aid in the patina, and an anti-fingerprint coating that Bremont puts on to slow the patina from touch alone. Though trust me, if you are wearing this out in the wild, especially if you live somewhere with a beach, the salt in the air will certainly bring some greenish patina to this. Though if you are in a rush, there are methods online involving boiled egg that can help you aid in obtaining that green patina. There are also solutions for removing the green patina, but just note that Bremont does say, for care, to only use a polishing cloth or very soft brush and tap water. Thank you so much again for watching, Watch Fam. If you enjoyed the video or have any comments, please like, subscribe, and let me know below. I'll see you next time, Watch Fam.